Honestly, transitioning into like being an adult was probably harder than going through puberty, let's be real. Hey guys, it's Becca here. Today I'm coming at you with another video, 6 ways to simplify your life. Step 1 is to find yourself a notebook and start making a to-do list. I have notebooks for different things, but this is super cute in gold. I like the ones with these types of this binding right here, these metal rings, because it really keeps everything together. So what I do is first I write the date on the very top of the notebook, and then I write down in chronological order, what I want to get done. So I write everything out and I number it. And if you want to get real deep into this, you want to give yourself a time limit, because there's a theory that however much time you give yourself to do something, that's how much time it takes to get it done. And so once you have your list, everything's out of your brain and out of your mind, and it's spewed out onto the paper. Now the best part is when you finally cross something off that list, it just feels so good. It's funny because sometimes I'll actually write down something that I already completed just so I can cross it off, because it's just like, yes, I finished it. Numero dos is prep your lunch. When I cook my lunch or when I cook my dinner, I make extras so that I'll have leftovers for the next day so I can take for lunch. Rice, quinoa, some brown beans, pinto beans, black beans, some broccoli, even a salad without the dressing. You can add the avocado later. Like, get it done today so your future self will thank you. Thanks, girl. Another reason meal prep is good is because it gives you control over how much you eat and what you eat. So what type of nutrition you're putting into your body. And also when you're on point with your meal prep, your grocery bill will go down because you only buy the things that you need to buy. So the next thing is to plan your outfits. Part of planning your outfit is prepping your bag. That means, do I need to put my laptop in my bag? Do I need to have my laptop charger, my phone charger, my wallet? Make sure you get everything together, your keys. You guys, when you get this, you are an adult. You'll be an efficient adult. Trust me, I know. Just kidding. I don't know, but from experience, this has definitely worked. Number 4, say goodnight early. I'm someone who's always valued sleep, but when I was in college, it was so hard for me to get a good night's rest. And so I decided, you know what? Like, it's your health, so you have to make it a priority. If so-and-so wants to go out with you, just like be like, you know what? I'm gonna get my sleep tonight, okay? You have to say no. 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 That's the word. No. Because you're making yourself a priority. Now, I didn't really see the value of sleep until I read Arianna Huffington's book, The Sleep Revolution. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. Now, when I started making sleep a priority in my life, everything changed. Like, you wake up happier, the sun is shining brighter on you, the sky is bluer, the birds are chirping, there's music everywhere. Like, you just feel good. Don't give in to that whole idea of team no sleep. Like, rest is so important for you, which is one of the reasons why I really value the Sabbath. Numero 5, don't accumulate stuff, junk. Just don't do it. You just want to clean. Go through your closet, take out everything from under your bed, clean out your sock drawer, and get rid of all those socks that don't have pairs. What helped me get rid of more things was knowing that I would either donate it or sell it. If you sell it, you get some money. If you donate it, you're helping out somebody else. Number 6 is to have a weekly check-in with yourself. Weekly check-ins are a way to really simplify the rest of your week. So you're doing something on maybe a Sunday. So I choose the beginning of the week, Sunday, and I sit down with my laptop with my weekly budget and my planner, and I think, okay, how did last week go? That's when I check in with my budget. Since I've been doing my Sunday check-ins, I've noticed a huge difference in my life. Like, I've gotten more done. I've been more efficient with my time. I've been able to start my own business and pick up some more freelance marketing clients and manage all of that time and pay off my debt. Hello. If you haven't seen that video, it's gonna be down in the description box below. All right, friends, if you made it to this point in the video, clap, 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 clap for you. Yay, you did it, and now you know 6 ways to simplify your life. The main idea is do something today that your future self will thank you for. Be a good friend to yourself. Now, if you like this content, don't forget to comment down below, hit the notification bell to know when I upload. Follow me on all of my social platforms. Everything will be linked down below. And let me know what you guys want to see next. All right, bye. Mwah.